Hello everybody, Bad Weather Freak here. I'm coming back with another video. We're seeing, as you guys can see on this chart, we're seeing some severe weather happening in central part of the United States. And just like yesterday, there's a chance of potential tornadoes forming. There was actually one tornado yesterday in Oklahoma, south of Oklahoma City. Potential for damaging winds, hail. So there's actually a good chance that in these areas you guys are gonna see, and we're gonna see. Sorry about that, message. But basically, this area, those states in this area, you guys need to be paying attention. Potential severe weather heading your way. I'm gonna show you. Let me actually go back before I show you a little bit of what's going on with Tropical Cyclone Mocha. But if you go back to the satellite imagery and we focus on the United States, let me go ahead and find the United States. No, Central Atlantic, sorry. United States, there. You can kind of see, if I zoom in here, how there's this low pressure system just spinning and actually intensifying. And that's why you can see here on towards the top of it, at the end of the loop, you guys can see some of that orange and yellowish picking up. Showing up. That means a storm is intensifying, and then that's why the National Weather Center has a enhanced chance of damaging winds, hail, and tornadoes. Now let's go back to what I was going to show you, which it was another thing that's happening around the world, and that is Tropical Cyclone Mocha. As you guys can see, it has rapid intensifying the last 24 hours, and it's actually heading towards Myanmar, and potentially, let me kind of find a different, not this chart here, but let me go back. Bay of Bengal. So you guys can see Bangladesh and Myanmar. This is basically where the storm is heading. It's heading this way. So you folks in Myanmar, in Dhaka, Bangladesh, you guys need to be paying attention to this, as it seems like it's going to be a significant weather event. It shouldn't be anything catastrophic, but nevertheless, we need to keep an eye on that. Now, the sea surface temperatures, what is happening? As you guys can see, the warmth keep increasing in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Western Caribbean. And as far as El Nino is concerned, this is a daily, or at least the contributors for the CDAS Nino 3.4, which that is this area here where the majority of the Pacific cyclones do form. So the further plus that this graph goes, like higher up here, that means the stronger El Nino is. Right now it's pretty much, we can call it a weak El Nino, but we'll see as we get closer to the beginning of the season and potentially into the peak of the hurricane season. We'll see how strong it gets, because that's going to make a huge difference here for us in the Atlantic. Another thing I wanted to mention is the National Hurricane Center did come up with an article talking about how in January we actually had a storm for the 2023 hurricane season. So it didn't get a name, but it counts towards the total of the storms that are supposed to develop as a whole in the 2023 hurricane season. So we're already on tropical depression number 1, and the next one will be tropical depression number 2, and if it gets named, will be Arlene. But January of 2023, we already have a tropical depression that has formed. That's everything I wanted to share with you guys today. Wanted to keep it short. And if you guys have any questions, any comments, post them in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day.